Class 2. Hope you all are fine and good. I am your English teacher and my name is Rafia Munawwar. So open your read now book and the page number is 76. Dear student, today we are going to start the reading of the poem which is My Dog Sport. So write CW and short date at the top of your page. So let's start the reading of the poem. I have a white dog whose name is Spot, and he's sometimes white and he's sometimes not. But whether he's white or whether he's not, there is a patch on his ear that makes him Spot. Now let's see the difficult meanings of difficult words. First word is spot. Spot means a small round mark. Dear students, a small area that is different is called patch. Dear student, the poet is telling us that he has a dog. His color is white and he has a spot on his ear. So, he has given him a name of Spot. Now let's start reading of the second paragraph. He has a tongue that is long and pink, and he lolls it out when he wants to think. He seems to think most when the weather is hot. He's wise sort of dog. He's wise sort of dog. Is my dog Spot. Now we will see the meaning of difficult words. Lols means having loosely. You can see here the dog is lolling out his tongue. Dear student, sort means to arrange in groups. His dog's tongue color is pink, and he hangs loosely his tongue when he wants to think. And he mostly thinks when the weather is hot, and he has a clever dog. Now let's start the reading of third paragraph. He likes a bone and he likes a ball, but he doesn't care for a cat at all. He waggles his tail and he knows what's what. So I'm glad that he's my dog Spot.